In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist to Google Calendar. This is an essential step for those of us looking to streamline our productivity tools and have all our tasks and appointments in one place. The process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.todoist.com/login. This will take you to the Todoist login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, specifically your email and password, to access your account. If you prefer an alternative login method, Todoist also offers the convenience of signing in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. This can save you a bit of time if you prefer not to type in your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your avatar. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up a new settings page with several tabs. What you'll do next is look for and select the Calendars tab within the Settings page. This is where you can manage all things related to calendar connections. Once there, you'll see an option to connect to Google Calendar. Go ahead and click Connect Google Calendar. Doing so will prompt a permissions page to appear. This step is all about granting the necessary permissions for integration between Todoist and your Google Calendar. You'll see several permission boxes that you need to check. It's important to read through these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with the access you're granting. After you've taken care of permissions, you'll have the option to choose which of your Google Calendars you want to see and use within Todoist. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to customize your view based on your specific requirements and preferences, ensuring that only the most relevant calendars appear in Todoist. Finally, to ensure everything syncs seamlessly, make sure to toggle on the Sync Tasks to Calendar option. This action will synchronize your tasks so that they automatically appear in your selected Google Calendar. If you have tasks that are all-day events or only have a due date without a specific time, don't forget to toggle on the Sync All-Day Tasks option as well. This ensures that no task gets left behind in the syncing process. And that's it. You've successfully connected Todoist to Google Calendar. With this integration, you should find managing your tasks and appointments much more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!